In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can add your Instagram link to your Facebook. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, what you're going to want to do is actually open up Facebook and go to the home section and tap on your profile menu down in the bottom right corner and then select your name up at the top to open up your profile. From here, go ahead and select the little pencil icon up at the very top to open up your edit profile section and scroll down, and what you're going to want to do is look for this little links option down at the bottom and select add. From here, you're going to see an option for Instagram on here. Go ahead and select Instagram if it's on here, or if you don't see it, simply go ahead and select add new link and then hit Instagram, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. In my case, I already have it on here, so I'm just going to select my profile just like so. But essentially type in your username and then hit save down at the very bottom. And then you can also do the exact same thing to Instagram. But yeah, overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. But as you can see, if I open up my profile, you're now going to see that Instagram link on there after I refresh. Before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.